And today we're gonna be opening a new toy. Are you excited? What do you think is in here? We'll open it in 1 second, okay?
Yeah.
So this is from Moose Toys, who always send us amazing toys. Thank you so much. So this is what the box looks like. Well, it's actually a crate. It says what's in the crate. And up here it says Little Live. Right here it says handle with care.
Yeah.
So with it saying Little Live, it makes me think that it's Little Live Pets. So it says this side up, handle with care. So you guys ready to open up the box?
Yeah.
What do you think's in here?
Toys.
Toys? Yeah, I think so. All right, so right here, there's like little silhouettes of like a teddy bear. I think this one looks like a puppy. And then on this side, there's one of like a little bird. So I don't know, guys. It might be Little Live Pets since it says Little Live right here. But we're gonna open this up and see, okay? Let's open it.
What's time in here?
Let's see.
Yeah.
Right here it says Little Live Scruffaloves. Okay, so inside the crate, here's a note from Moose Toys. They always send us little notes that go along with the toys that are inside. And this tells us right here what's in the crate. So these are Scruffaloves, Little Live Scruffaloves Family's 2019 Toy of the Year Award winner. Now you can rescue an entire family of Scruffaloves with 10 surprises along the way.
Yeah.
So this is what's gonna be inside. Look how cute. Are you excited?
Yeah.
So this is Little Live Scruffalove Families. So it retails for $29.99, ages 2 and up. Availability, they're available in August. So these will be available in August. They're not available yet. It's only like July 13th, I believe it is. So these will be in stores in August. So we get the first peek. That's amazing.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see. Ooh. Are you excited? So it comes with a little bowl and it comes with a little brush right here, as you can see. And then it comes with this, which is covered in these little papers right here. So this is like a towel, and I saw like a little doggy print on here. So this is the towel that it comes with. And then right here it says bone dry. So I'm assuming this is to dry the doggy. Yeah, that's a paw print for the doggy. You guys ready to see what's inside of here?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. What is it? So Scruffalove's Families wash, twins or rare triplets, groom, 10 surprises. Which family will you rescue? So inside of here, there's a whole family.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if there's anything else that we're gonna need in here. I don't know what this is. What is that for?
No, this for this.
Oh yeah, you're right. It goes on the top of the box. You're so smart. Okay, so Bernie's opening up the box.
What is this? Come on now.
Wow.
Ooh.
Okay, so Bernie broke into the box and found this one right away.
Look.
Oh, let me see. So he found these two as well.
Yeah.
So does that mean that we have twins?
Yeah.
We have twins, Nina? Yeah? And then right here, there are surprises. You have to wash and groom it so it looks fluffy like that. Because it's looking kind of flat right now. What do you think? Okay, so before we move any further, we're gonna check the surprises out. What do you think? Yeah, you think so? Okay, so right here is number 2. Open it up. What is that? A brush. Okay, here's number 3. Go ahead, you can open it. So this is number 3. Bernie loves blind boxes, guys, so he loves opening surprises like this. I know, we're gonna have to groom her. So that's a little collar for her. I guess we're not gonna go in order because Bernie opened number 6. Here's like little, I don't know, what are they?
Let's see what's in number 1.
Number 5 right here?
Mommy, you talking about number 1.
Oh no, that one's actually number 7. So this right here is a birth certificate. Let's see what it says on here. The birth certificate says, so this one was supposed to be opened last, but Bernie opened it now. This is the birth certificate, and it says, I promise to give my Scruffalove a lifetime of love, care, and fun. I promise to be best friends forever, BFF. This is to certify that the names were born on Peel to Reveal. Do you want to peel this right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe there's a Bubba in here.
What is this?
Okay, so Bernie peeled it off. In 4 or 5 right here. So, February 1st, 2019 they were born. Yeah, that's where she was. So number 4 and 5.
This is him home.
That's his home?
Yeah.
Nina's looking for a Bubba. She saw the little Bubba right here. So I know she's hoping that one of these are a little Bubba so she can feed the doggies. Bernie's opening up number 5. What do you think's going to be in here? Do you think a Bubba's going to be in here? Yay! There's the Bubba for Nina. Are you excited? Yeah? Now Bernie's going to open up the last surprise, number 4.
Stickers.
Stickers! You love stickers.
Yeah.
What are they stickers of? Let me see. Aw, how
Let me
cute.
put the sunsock in.
Yeah, you can put it on whatever you want. Does it go on the collar? Let me see. This is a little locket, so you can open up the locket. Let's see what it says inside. So inside of the little locket, you can put the stickers in there. You can choose 2 stickers to put in there. Bernie already has the 1 in there. How cute.
Where's my happy one?
I don't know, where'd they go? Right here.
Oh, I do.
Oh, you found them?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is probably the one that should go in there. The mommy and the 2 babies. Which one did you choose?
2 babies.
Did you?
Yeah.
Let me see. You did choose the 2 baby one. That's so cute.
That's me.
That is super cute.
Mommy,
And here's
I
the
think
mommy. Mommy and 2 babies. So we got the one with twins. Okay, so here's like a little instruction booklet. It says right here, 1 is wash, 2 reveal. So we did this totally backwards. Number 3 is dry, number 4 is boy or girl. Oh, so we get to see if it's a boy or girl. Have you rescued baby boys, girls, or both? Warm your baby's hearts to find out. Okay, guys, so we have twins. How cute is that? This one's a girl. See the pink little heart?
This is boy.
Yeah, and that one's a boy. So we have a boy and a girl. We had twins. How cute is that? And we got one of each.
Yeah.
So the mommy had twins.
Yeah.
Her eyes are purple and his eyes are blue. They have some pretty eyes. Aren't they cute?
Blue is purple.
Yeah. I've never seen purple eyes before. So that's
Mommy,
super cute, guys. We got a boy and a girl twins. You need help with the locket?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So what we're going to do, instead of making a big, huge mess with water, what we're going to do is take the doggy in the tub with Bernie and Nina. And we can give the doggy a bath in there. And once the doggy's all dry, then we can show them. What do you think? You think so?
Yeah, but him living.
What does he live in?
Yeah, but
Nina said, what does he live in? We're going to give them a bath and fluff them up a little bit. What do you think?
blue.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what we're going to do. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Where'd he go? He has bubbles on him. Good job.
He's the attack.
Yeah, you did really good. Are you still washing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wash you hair.
Okay guys, so we're out the bath now. Fresh and clean. Bernie, Nina, and mommy doggy. So this is what the doggy looks like once Nina gave it a little bubble bath. As you can see, it looks like a wet doggy, right? So that's mommy doggy. And then here's one baby. And where's the other baby?
With Bunny.
Oh, with Bernie right here. So before you can tell if it's a boy or a girl, both of the hearts are purple. And then whenever you warm them up, one turns pink, one turns blue. So this is the girl, this is the boy. Here you go. So since this was in my car, the car was super hot. And both of the hearts were already warmed up. So we could tell right away that one was a boy and one was a girl. Once we came inside, it's a bit cooler in here with the air conditioning. They both turned purple and then we made them change colors again. But we're going to put the mommy under the blow dryer and we're going to show you guys what she looks like when we're finished. Are you ready to blow dry the doggy? Yeah, make her fluffy? All right, let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, the doggy's much fluffier. Do you love your doggy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Aww. So it's taking a super long time for us to dry her, so we're going to continue to dry her once we end this video. But we're going to end the video now. You guys can see how cute and fluffy she looks. This brush right here really helped brush out the matted fur and make her fluffy. But we're just going to continue to brush her and dry her until she's fully dry. So we're going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And comment down below if you're going to check out Scruffaloves in August when they come out. And we'll see you guys on our next video.
Bye.